Thank God you're filming this because
we have it on camera. Andrew is officially human.
He's officially using straps. Hell.
I don't feel so bad now. I only straps one time before Andrew.
a wonder of the world. Today we'll stare at.
Okay. Just like nobody called it. Come on. Come on. Pull, come on, let's go. Come on, sister. There you go. There it is.
Two's good. Whew, that got heavy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Whew.
So,
what do we got on
what
there?
did that feel like compared to the Team Boss one that you did, where you got stuck at 700?
It's all right the same.
Okay.
Our pick's lower right now, so yeah. Due to the spring compression, we've got about a 7.5 inch pick height. What we did is took the Sorinex Hurricane. We started off with the arms level, the springs compressed a little bit, and we took two 5-inch boxes, an 8.5 inch box, and a 3-inch box, stacked them up to stand on, and then added a 100-pound plate and 6 45s to each side to give us our car deadlift right here in the gym. Sorinex makes some good stuff, so I've yet to be able to break anything. Still working on it.